YouTube SEO, or search engine optimization for YouTube, involves optimizing your videos and channel to rank higher in YouTube search results. Here are some strategies and tips to improve your YouTube SEO. Keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, or YouTube's Search Suggest feature to identify relevant and high-traffic keywords related to your video content. Incorporate these keywords into your video title, description, tags, and script. Compelling titles and descriptions. Create descriptive and engaging video titles that include your main keyword. Write detailed, keyword-rich descriptions that accurately explain the video's content. Include relevant links and timestamps for specific sections of the video. Engaging thumbnails. Design eye-catching and relevant thumbnails that entice viewers to click on your video. Use high-resolution images and bright, contrasting colors to make your thumbnails stand out. Optimize video tags. Include relevant and specific tags related to your video's content. Use both broad and long-tail keywords. Research the tags used by competitors or similar videos to gather ideas. Video transcripts and closed captions. Provide accurate transcriptions and closed captions for your videos, as they improve accessibility and can boost SEO by associating your content with keywords. Engage viewers and encourage interaction. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe to your channel. Engagement signals are important for YouTube's algorithm. Ask questions or provoke discussions in your video to encourage comments. Use playlists. Organize your videos into relevant playlists to improve watch time and user engagement. Incorporate keywords into playlist titles and descriptions. Promote off-platform. Share your YouTube videos on social media, blogs, and other platforms to increase visibility and drive traffic to your videos. Embed your videos on your website or blog to enhance backlinks and traffic. Consistent upload schedule. Stick to a consistent upload schedule to keep your audience engaged and returning for more content. Consistency can positively impact your channel's performance and SEO. Monitor and analyze performance. Use YouTube Analytics to monitor your video's performance, including watch time, engagement, and audience demographics. Adjust your strategy based on the insights you gather to optimize future videos. Remember, YouTube SEO is an ongoing process, and it's important to stay updated with YouTube's algorithm changes and adapt your strategy accordingly. Quality content that resonates with your audience is key to success on YouTube.